iTAC software offers innovative product solutions to support you in the execution of your production order, all the way from order planning to delivery. With the SMT.Edge by iTAC, you can optimize your production processes and improve your quality. The intelligent software solution creates a bidirectional connection to various SMT machines from different manufacturers and automatically forwards them to higher-level systems such as MOM, ERP, and analytics. Whether tablet, smartphone, or desktop, in just a few clicks, you can view all important analyses in real time and easily add your own machines and connect them to the system. This gives you a real-time overview of your machine performance and enables a quick response to problems occurring. SMT.Edge by iTAC, the intelligent tool for connecting SMT equipment and analysis systems for optimal machine performance. If you have any questions, please contact our sales team or visit our website.